Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to change a blower motor on a 2009 Nissan Frontier. Alright, so I believe you're going to just need a 6mm socket here and just undo the plugs and it should just come right out. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is just remove these panels. This just pulls right out. You don't really have to do much. And then this thing here, it just kind of comes loose as you take that other one off. So you just kind of place these to the side here, get this thing loose. Don't take the whole thing off, just get it loose there. And then under here you should be able to see the blower, which is this whole area right here, which is just these clips. And there's one here, but I think this is to the resistor, so I think you just got to mess with this area over here. So you want to go ahead and get these bolts off. Okay, that one. Just want the back here. I don't know how many of these are, but just go ahead and jimmy them off. This one's a pain in the ass because I can't really see. We're gonna switch bolts here. We're gonna go to this one back here. See if we can get this one off. Okay, got one bolt out. Get the second one out, which is the easiest one, the one right up front. Fell right out. Now, get this third bolt out. I said screw it, got a set of pliers. Try to wiggle this thing off the ghetto way. Don't recommend anybody doing this because you could ruin your bolt, but I'm tired of this damn bolt. Yeah, we're screwed here with this. I'm catching all kinds of hell with this bolt. Alright guys, so we got the blower motor out, and let me just tell you real quick. So you don't want to use a 6. I had to go get a 5.5. That's the size you want to use. This one fits snug on those little screws right there. Look, it's completely snug. So don't mind the first part of the video. Let's check this thing out. Ugh, it's like leaves and gunk in here, but it doesn't look too bad. It's not as dirty as I assumed. Let's check the inside out. I wonder why it wasn't working that good. It's just some leaves in here. It's gunky in here. But I thought it was gonna look worse than this. Well, I'm gonna go ask my woman if she wants to replace it or not. Alright guys, so we got the new blower motor here and we're gonna just bolt it back in. It's just those 3 bolts and that's it. Okay, that one is in. Yep. Okay, we got one more. This is back on here. It's kind of stubborn. The back one would be the most stubborn one. There it goes. Oh, don't have enough room to get that one in. Use my fucking tool. you're just gonna plug your clip back in. That one's in. That one's in. And all right, that's the job done. New blower motor installed. All right, guys, thank you. All right, guys, so let's test out this blower motor. And I went inside and took a shower, so don't mind me and my Crocs and PJs because I'm done for today. Crocs are good, drugs are bad. All right, so let's test this out here. Nice. Hit max speed. Ooh. Yeah. Excuse my fingernails. I didn't realize they were growing so fast. Literally just feel like I cut them yesterday. Wow. That's a big difference. It makes like a, it has like a, I don't know, that motor, you can hear it. It's kind of like a spaceship sound, look. It sounds like a car accelerating. All right, so I guess that's how you know if you did it right. Cause I feel the air, and it honestly feels a little bit better. So hey guys, good luck, and keep bringing them comments, man. We're gonna work on this truck and the hard body, so let's keep them coming. All right, have a good one. Thanks.